Good morning. We're actually getting good at this morning now.
We are.
Yeah. We've got a routine with Twiglet now.
Honestly, we're not that lazy and we get up in the afternoons.
No, we get up in the morning, but it was establishing a routine with Twiglet, bless her. And we moored at Kintbury last time, and now we're on the final leg of our journey.
Heading home.
And we just went past the sewage works. Nice.
Lovely smell.
Yeah. And I know there's lots of controversy about pumping sewage into waterways. It looked quite clear, I must admit.
It's probably just runoff, isn't it? Top runoff.
Yeah, but it did smell a bit, but that might have just been the sewage works itself, I guess.
Yeah.
And the sun's shining for us on this final day, which is good, because we've had 2 days of, well, not too bad, but downpours right at crucial moments.
Oh, horrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're just squeezing through a bridge.
Yeah, that's why Richard's off shot. He's put his head out.
It's quite tight when you get through it.
It is.
Try and miss the pavement, and we don't really want to hit the corner of the bridge.
Because there's like obviously the walkway that comes out. So yeah, let's see.
Cows.
What happens today?
What do you mean, what happens? Seven locks and one swing bridge to go.
Woohoo! And this is Twiglet's new favourite place to travel, because she can be by us both. So near Daddy driving, and then Mummy can stand there too, and she's all happy and it's shady. She's having a little snooze. So I've just done some calculations, and by the time we get back to Newbury Marina, we will have done 72 miles, which doesn't sound like a lot, because on the Thames we did 100 and something, but that also includes 100 and, what did I say? 14 locks.
72 miles?
Yeah.
I could do that on my bike in a day.
72 miles and 114 locks. So when you add those locks in, that's quite a bit. And that's not mentioning also the tunnel and swing bridges as well. So it's quite funny, because when you go on Canal Route Planner, it's like this will take 24 hours.
24 hours?
Yeah.
You've got it set wrong, haven't you?
Yeah, the settings were definitely wrong. Definitely doesn't take 24 hours.
No, I mean, you've only got to do 20 minutes in a lock and times that by 114, and there's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Yeah, and because obviously we're travelling with friends as well, each lock is done sort of twice, and if it's set the wrong way, then it's
most of them have
filling
been
it up or draining it twice as well, because obviously they're narrow, we're wide, we can't go in together.
It's quite a mission, isn't it?
No wonder this holiday's been wearing.
I know, I'm tired. I need to go on another holiday.
We need to go on a holiday for the holiday.
Yeah.
thought I'd do a little what have we learned on our trip down the K&A. Richard's like, oh no, here we go.
Trying to think.
Well, one thing after that lock is that the lock sort of bricks can be very slippery.
I always slip on them.
Yeah, they're very slippery.
It's because you have to push the gates.
Yeah, the gates can be really heavy.
That's because you're trying to fill the lock and it's leaking out just as quick as you're putting it in.
Yeah, a lot of them very leaky. The Kennet and Avon is very pretty, but if you like cruising for a long period of time and not stopping, then it's not for you, because there are so many locks. It's true, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but that's probably the same with every canal, really,
Yeah,
to be honest with you.
I suppose like coming originally from the Thames, where you could like cruise for quite a few miles, couldn't you?
Like an hour.
Yeah. It's definitely not for going fast. Not that you can go fast in a canal boat, but I think probably we average at about 1 mile an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
seems to be the...
yeah, I can walk to a lock definitely quicker than we can cruise to a lock.
100%.
But when the weather is nice and the sun is shining, it's so pretty.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, it's really lovely. I mean, we've probably been lucky. We've probably had the best few weeks of the summer so far, and let's face it, our summer has been quite tragic. I've got to apologise to all those people that watched our vlog about installing air conditioning and sent us they sent us their pictures that they'd done it. Much better job than we'd done. Aesthetically looked really, really nice. Don't know about you guys, but we haven't turned it on.
We haven't even taken the window out and put a fly net up.
No. Yeah. What has happened to British summer?
The heating came on this morning.
It did, and we've had condensation in August because our heating has been coming on.
Yeah.
Wow.
We've had rain, haven't we? But not tons of it. It only rained for an hour and then it stopped.
Yeah.
But by then everything is just soaked.
Yeah. Crazy. Absolutely crazy.
It's been alright.
That were merrily going along, and then the heavens opened again.
Again.
Honestly, like I've got shorts on and like a vest top, and then all of a sudden heavens open. I'm freezing cold.
Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy. And can you remember which lock that was?
What, the horrible one?
The horrible leaky lock.
82.
So lock 82. I don't know if you call them the front or the back gates, really. Where are we going? We're going down. So as you're going down, the ones in front of you have got a massive gap in.
At the bottom, yeah.
Yeah,
it's
right at the bottom.
Wide.
It's really wide. So Richard did the barge pole trick.
Yeah.
So you sort of pop the barge pole down and it plugs the gap, basically.
Slows it down anyway, yeah. You can hear it whistling.
Yeah, it makes a really funny noise.
Pole whistles.
And then basically as the lock was like draining anyway, then it just releases.
Yeah, just releases the pressure and you take it back off.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for that, we'd still be in it.
Oh gosh, it would take forever.
It takes about an hour and a half to fill up, or 4 people to push the gate.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And yeah, have we done another lock since then? We have, haven't we?
Yeah,
but
we've
it was
done that
raining,
one.
so I was inside.
So we've got this one to do, then there's electric swing bridge,
Yeah.
and then town lock, and then we're home.
Wow. There we go. Something else we've learnt
What?
just came to me. We've probably learnt loads, but now that we're
Learned
filming,
nothing.
I can't remember anything. It is, we think, actually probably in some respects easier doing the locks in a wide beam, because the wide beam fills the lock, so we can, because we've got like the flatter roof, we can jump on and off the
Jump
roof,
off,
can't
walk
we?
across, shut the gates.
So you
Yeah.
literally use the
You don't
roof
have to
as
go
a
on the
bridge.
landing to come back out. the
No,
lock.
so yeah, we don't. We just literally, I hover. A lot of these locks have basically got a lock and then a bridge, so I hover just out of the lock under the bridge,
and you just
and
jump
then
on it.
you make like Monkey Man, don't you?
Well, it's easy. Otherwise, you've got to go around, moor it up, then get on and off the
Yeah.
mooring. You just stop.
Yeah,
Well, you could do it in a narrowboat,
yeah, it'd be a bit more
could
rocky
do.
though, wouldn't it?
but yeah, jump on it and then get tipped off.
And something else I've learned is that yes, you can bring a tiny little puppy straight on board, and they adapt really quickly.
Yeah, she loves it actually.
She loves it.
Yeah.
I mean, today, for the best partner, her new favourite spot is just down here on the top of the gas locker.
Yeah.
She snuggles up.
Curls up on a pillow.
First of all, she used to sort of like wake up and look around every time there was a new sight or sniff.
And a lock and a
But
bang and a
now
pump.
she's just like, seen it before, and
Yeah, she
goes to
does,
sleep.
not worried.
She is awake, by the way, because these videos so far, she's pretty much just been asleep.
Yes.
Did you know puppies apparently sleep 18 out of 24 hours?
Oh. Heaven.
When she's going absolutely crazy, it does not feel like it, she has
A witching hour.
witching hour, definitely.
She eats everything and everybody.
Yeah.
Runs around, even growls at herself and just charges around the boat like a lunatic.
Yep. Doing zoomies.
Then she gets tired out, she takes herself to bed in the bedroom, doesn't she?
She does, yeah, yeah. Just
She like looked at us and went, it's too late, and she got off and off she went to bed.
Yep.
It's like, oh, no night then. It's weird.
bless her. Look at this feast.
What's that one?
This is just trying a little bit of a lovely moon.
So we've made it back to Newbury Marina after our trip, sort of up and down or back and forth, whichever way we went.
Well, we actually went up, down, and then up and down again.
Yeah, that's true.
So-
Yeah, because we did a summit, didn't we? That is
Yeah.
very true. Yeah,
We
up
went
down.
up that way, back down
Yeah.
the other side, and then back up again, and then back down to here.
Yeah. So anyway, one other thing that you was just saying about that we've learnt from the K&A, good access to water. Never had any problem with water and rubbish, which sometimes on the Thames was a little bit tricky, wasn't it, on occasion, until you
Yeah, a little
sort of
bit.
learned them. Pump out, we didn't need a pump out because obviously we've got the compost loo, but I think we saw numerous pump outs.
We did see them now and again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the only thing, but then we weren't looking for it because we didn't need it, is we didn't spot that many places to stop for fuel. So whether that's just like our lack of research, I don't know. But yeah, we didn't see
any.
that many places to get fuel. And also, yeah, if you're going to stop and you need shopping, do your research because, quite a few little villages like close on weird
Whatever
days. Or,
or there isn't anything there.
yeah,
It's just
not,
a pub.
Yeah.
It was,
Yes.
middle of nowhere a lot of the time. Wasn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, it's beautiful, very beautiful. So that's us for this set of vlogs.
And now we need a holiday.
Now we need a holiday because it's quite hard
tired.
work as well. Yeah, and
We're
Twiggy's
tired,
tired
aren't we?
again, bless her. And soon she's having her injection, her second injection. And then she'll be able to
Then you can take her out.
try going on the lead. We've all here at Newbury Marina, the owners, they're really, really sweet. There's a little section of sort of fenced off garden
got
that
her own
nobody
little garden,
uses,
yeah.
so she's allowed to use that. And we captured her doing zoomy
She was
yesterday.
running around in the grass.
So we'll leave you with Twiggy Zoomies,
And
which is
then-
all about 4 seconds.
Yeah, so from next week, you can get up at 6:30 and take her out. Yay!
So we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.